Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 13th of December. And first of all, national news. Bhajanlal Sharma is a first-time MLA and BJP State General Secretary. Bhajanlal Sharma has been appointed Rajasthan Chief Minister. Will remain in touch as Shankar spoke to Israel Foreign Minister on Gaza. Let Jammu and Kashmir go to hell. Farooq Abdullah on Supreme Court ruling. Harming women's mental health is cruelty under new criminal. Joe Biden, expected to be Republic Day chief guest, may not visit India in January. Center redefine terrorism in new criminal code, added fake currency cases. Supreme Court reserved order on challenge to validity of Citizenship Act section. Protest not banned on campus but allowed only at designated areas. JNU. Retail inflation rose to 3-month high of 5.55% in November. Mohan Yadav may take oath as Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister today, a report said. Now, some international news. In our first pilotless aircraft completed first test in 12 minutes. 5 crore job guarantee scheme cards deleted in 2023 sent to parliament. Will remain in touch as Jaishankar spoke to Israel foreign minister on Gaza. US said it plays no role in choosing leaders of Pakistan. Malaysia has a population of 38 citizens and is not recognized by the United Nations. Chinese hackers gained access to critical US systems under Volt Typhoon campaign, a report said. Now, some sports news. BCCI's 21st Apex Council meeting to be held on December 18. South Africa and India have battled against each other on 24 occasions in T20 internationals. Turkish football plunge into crisis after referee attack. India Vice Captain Smriti Mandhana on Tuesday welcomed the idea of organizing a World Test Championship in women's Test cricket. Business related news. India's CPI inflation rose to 3-month high at 5.55% in November. Bonds gain and dollar dropped with CPI data to come. Markets wrap. SEBI tweaked framework on upstreaming clients' funds by brokers to clearing corporations. Bonds gain and dollar dropped with CPI data to come. Markets rep. Science related news. Rare dolphin with thumbs spotted in Greek Gulf. Researchers surprised. And that's all in news. Thank you.